Hello students, I am Anush Sharma, faculty in Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today I am going to discuss a method solution of second order homogeneous differential equation. Let's begin the method. Homogeneous differential equations. A differential equation of the form a naught x squared d2y by dx2 plus a1x dy by dx plus a2y is equal to q, which is equation number 1, where a0, a1, a2 are constants. Q is a function of x, is called a homogeneous differential equation of second order. This equation can be transformed into a linear equation with constant coefficient if the independent variable x is changed to z by means of the relation x is equal to e to the power z, that is z is equal to log e to the z is equal to log e base x, which is equation number 2. Then we have dy by dx is equal to dy by dz multiplied by dz by dx is equal to 1 upon x dy by dz, which is equation number 3. Similarly, we can calculate the value of d2y by dx2 as 1 upon x square multiplied by d2y by dz2 minus dy by dz, and which is equation number 4. If capital D denoted by if d by dz denoted by capital D, we have x dy dx is equal to capital Dy, and x square d2y by dx2 is equal to d minus 1 y. By these transformations, we get the linear differential equation with constant coefficient, which can be solved easily as earlier. Taking an example, x square d2y by dx2 minus x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x log x, which is equation number 1. Solution. Let z is equal to log x, and this implies that x is equal to e to the power z by 1 d minus 1 minus d plus 2, and y is equal to z e to the power z, where capital D is d by dz. This implies that d2 minus 2d plus 2y is equal to z e to the power z. And auxiliary equation of last equation is m square minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that m is equal to 1 plus minus iota. So the CF of differential equation is e to the power z c1 log cos z plus c2 sin z, and the value of e to the power z is equal to x, and the value of z is equal to log x. This implies that CF is x c1 cos log x plus c2 sin log x, and the PI of equation is 1 upon d2 minus 2d plus 2, and the operator applied on z to the power z. This implies that e to the power z 1 upon d plus 1 whole square minus 2d plus 1 plus 2 applied on z, and which is equal to e to the power z 1 plus d square whole power minus 1 applied on z, and we expand the 1 minus d square whole power minus 1 as 1 minus d square plus and so on. This implies that the value of pi is z e to the power z, and which is x log x. General solution is CF plus PI, and which is y is equal to x C1 cos log x plus C2 sin log x plus x log x. Second question, x square d2 y dx2 plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to x square, which is equation number 1. Homogeneous linear differential equation. Let z is equal to log e to the power x. Let z is equal to log x, and this implies that x is equal to e to the power z. From 1, d square minus 1y is equal to e to the power z, where capital D is d by dz. Auxiliary equation, m square minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that m is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 and 1. CF is c1 e to the power minus z plus c2 e to the power z, and which is c1 upon x plus c2 x. Here pi is 1 upon d square minus 1 e to the power 2z is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1 e to the power z is equal to 1 upon 3 e to the power z, and which is equal to 1 upon 3 x square. General solution is CF plus PI, and y is equal to C2x plus C1x plus 1 upon 3 x square. I hope you understood this method. Thank you so much.